Alright guys, as I promised, this is part 2 of my previous video. I am doing the spring cleaning. I'm doing a voiceover with that spring cleaning part 2, and this is me right now doing my sweeping. Basically just tidying up the place, making sure everything is ready to go for spring. And as I mentioned before, that day it was pretty cloudy. I'm sorry about the lighting. Usually my lighting is so much better than that, so I know now I've learned my lesson, always to use my ring light. Yes. So this box in the living room now, it's a different box. It is a vacuum cleaner, and the thing on top of it is the carpet. It's a rug that I need to clean for my bedroom, and I haven't had the chance to do so. I took the box out of the garage and put it in the living room in order for me to do that. If it's in front of me in the living room, I will do so. So that's probably will be my next video, showing you how I clean my rug. Yes. Thank you for stopping by, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate each one of you. I realize that my cleaning videos, they do much better than the other videos, but at the same time, I don't want my channel to be one aspect, as I mentioned so many times before. So I just wanted to bring to you some cleaning motivation for the spring. Summer is right around the corner, although it doesn't feel like so. Today it snowed up north a little bit. The flowers are blooming already, but it snowed, so I don't understand what's going on. Yes, I'm sweeping, I'm cleaning, getting rid of anything that was underneath the chairs and the console table, and sweeping. Yeah, I have another exercise equipment behind that sofa over there. That's why you see that carpet over there. Yes. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what would you like to see on my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you. Now guys, this chair, that chair in the corner, I can't wait to take it away from there. My plan, as I mentioned before, is to buy a nice beautiful cushion chair. I know it's an eyesore. I promise next time you'll see this living room, I may not have the chair that I want, but this one is not gonna be there. So my intention for that corner is to make it my reading area, my comfortable area. Yes. And also that little table, my plan is to replace it with something that is much more appealing to the eyes. For now, it will do. Right now I'm just prepping the table for spring. Just a little something that I just want to put on the table, not to leave it bare, like that. Some chargers that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I believe I'm gonna put a runner there, and those little candle holders that I got also from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna put this runner, and that would be it for the table. Yeah, enjoy the video. Now, as I mentioned before, I believe in the previous video, this is the item that I purchased for the living room. I'm going to attempt to place this rug by myself. It is an 8 by 10. I got it from Amazon. However, after I placed the rug by myself, I felt it was too big for the area. It was too big for the area, and it wasn't giving what I thought it was gonna give. Okay, I felt like something was missing. So I believe this weekend or next week I will be folding it and return it back and get me something else. I felt that something was missing, and the kind of gold color it has, I thought it was gonna be more vibrant, but it's not. It's a pretty big rug though. Maybe if I had different color furniture it would look much better, but for what I have right now, I don't think it will do the job. I was by myself that day. Everybody was at work. My daughter was in school and my husband at work. So I got everything back on the rug. I did it all by myself. And at that night when my husband came back home, he was like, honey, who helped you? Well, I did it myself. You know, I'm not the type of person who would wait for someone to do something for me. If I wait for someone to do it for me, it's because I can't do it. Yes, so I'm looking at it and I'm not sure I'm getting the vibe that I was expecting from the rug. And yeah, so I believe I'm gonna return it and get something else. I think I didn't make a good choice, so I'm gonna return it. And thank you for watching. I appreciate you for stopping by and watch my video till the end. Thank you, and it's because of you that I'm here. Bye.